Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove keyboard vibration on Android. We start by opening the settings of our phone, and then we will look for the section that corresponds to sound and vibration. Inside here, we will look for an option similar to the one that appears here for Vibrate on Tap and click on it. Finally, we will choose the off state to remove the vibration on the keyboard when we type. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.